Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and don't forget to subscribe.
That's true. New Year is coming.
Yeah.
We are going to start fun and a good way. And
What's your message for the 2024?
2024 means a good heart is very important.
Yes.
Whatever you have a small ocean of drop sharing each another and seeing each another and hug each another and not a strong stay is a very bad medicine.
Strong stay is very bad
Medicine, yeah, talk
What is
and
good medicine then?
medicine is and not much talk about medicine about that. Your daughter, I'm about Neil about that, but I talk well. So main important is a comfortable stay and fun and not going on the what to say negative thing and carrying a good and positive thing and sometimes mistake is okay. Now 2024 is coming. You can change. And I think you can change. Yeah, never like that. Yeah, all right.
Wonderful.
Thank you, brothers. Yeah. 서울와서
아, 못 뺏어.